Hello! So I thought for today's video I'm going to do something a little bit different. I've never done a vlog before. This is going to be a weekend vlog, so it's just going to be what we get up to over the weekend. It's Friday now, pick the kids up from school, so the weekend basically starts now, to be honest. So the first thing we're going to be doing, what are we doing now, Leo?
Building Lego.
Building Lego! We're going to make this little plane thing.
That good? Yay, that is really very interesting.
That is still the show me the thing that took me about 5 hours to build.
5 hours?
Well, it didn't really, did it? I'm exaggerating, but I mean, it took the good part of an hour. You know my airplane noise. That'll be broken in about 5 minutes, won't it? Oh, how long did that take, Leo? Show me. What broke off? Oh my goodness. How long did that take? Yeah, we're on our way to the park because it's a lovely day and we thought we'd go. There's a really nice park near us and it's got a big field and the kids love it. Excited? Boys have got their football tops on, their Archie tops. Leo's really happy about it, aren't you? No, he's not, because he doesn't like wearing anything different than what he's used to. Yeah, we'll listen to Handsome. Ooh, up, yeah, yeah.
Turn it down.
So we're just going for a walk around the lake now. It's such a pretty day. A little fountain for you there. Look at that fountain. Kids are having a little scooter ride up there. And then after I've walked around, we're going to get an ice cream.
I don't always wear football shirts. He made me. My son made me.
He does, he always wears them.
I don't.
Do it to Mummy.
Look, Mummy, what? Yeah.
Yeah. How did you get it? How did you get it, Zach?
Tell me.
Did you? I knew it. I knew it.
Go on.
Yellow.
Okay.
How do I do it?
We're going to get this one.
I'll never get this one. Alright, okay. Oh, it's a tough one. Green.
Yeah. Blue.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's Saturday night, so we have a routine of telly that we watch. So we watch Ninja Warrior, and then we normally will either put a quick film on, we'll let the kids stay up a little bit later, and then we put on Britain's Got Talent. That's pretty much what we do, but it's still so beautiful out. But it's so sunny, that sun on my face is so good. So So actually now I might just go sit in the garden for a bit and get ready for Ninja Warrior. Go up, I'm going to eat some porridge and I'm going to practice some of my Spanish. Estoy español. I'm not. So I'm eating porridge, learning Spanish. It's going to be a good day. I think we're going to Colchester today, see my nan and granddad, and then yeah, that's it. Monday, bank holiday Monday today, and we did have plans to go out and do stuff, but I woke up and I wasn't feeling very good. But it's a lovely day, so I think we're just going to chill in the garden. The kids are already playing out there, and we're going to get like some picky food from Tesco and just have a little picnic in the garden while the kids play.
Oh, what are you doing in here, young man?
Cats and peppers.
She's still singing. Cats and peppers up. What else we got? Sandwiches. Oh, look at him, them fancy pants, yeah. She's still going. So sorry it's a bit dark, but every night, so I read Leo a story, and then I go and read Ava a story, but then it's not over. I have to come back, and what do I have to do, Leo?
Joke.
I have to tell you a joke, don't I? And then you tell me one back. So my jokes aren't very good. What joke am I going to tell you tonight? Right. Where do you take a sick horse?
To the veterans.
To the hospital. Hospital. Right, lay down, please. You gonna tell me one?
I'll get a picture of mine.
Go on then, tell me yours. Knock knock.
Yeah.
Who's there?
Pizza.
Pizza who?
Pizza pooper.
Pizza pooper. Classic. Another classic joke from Leo Hassan. Lay down, little sausage. Give me a kiss. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna chill out.
Lauren.
Go to sleep. Because I feel really tired. It's been a very long day. And it's been hot out, so. Oh, that's bright. So now. Oh, I'm going to sleep. You're not asleep, you liar. We're gonna eat. What should we eat? Should we get a takeaway? Look at his face light up. Look what happens to his face when I say that. I don't know. What should we get? Well, anyway, we're probably gonna get a takeaway because I just can't be bothered to cook.
Why not finish it with a sitting down robot?
I feel like I should just finish it there. What more could I say? Thank you for watching. If you did like it, if you do like the vlogs, if you think the vlogs are good, give them a thumbs up so I know.
Want to see more of me?
Oh God.
Give, but put some sort of emoji on
comment.
There.
Yeah. Or if you don't want to see
more, if you don't want to see more of it, very little.
But yeah, if you like the vlogs, give me a thumbs up, and then if you like the video, subscribe. It's always good to subscribe. Anyway, here he is.
Emoji.
Oh my God. I'm never gonna let him in one again.
I'm famous.
He was on, right, a fun fact, quick fact to send you off.
You might
with.
recognise me.
So, let me tell him. He was once on, not long ago, Who Dares Wins. The game show, not that one where there's the one like, not the SAS one. Who Dares Wins the game show. Was on it, won 5 grand. There we go, claim to fame. Anyway, I'm gonna go now.
How many game shows you been on?
Oh my God. Thank you for watching. So I'll see you in the next video, or I will see you another time. Bye.